Hey gun people! Man, we got a nice storm coming in here. I've been watching it for a while. Seems to be getting most of the lightning right around this area. Kind of like it's moving. Oh, that was a good one. I don't know if the camera picked it up. Seems like it's about 5 to 7 miles out. Saw that one pretty good. Man, some of these flashes were just so dark. And for some reason it wants to happen right there where the storm is meeting the clear area. And from what I understand, that's where you're getting the most turbulent, because the storm's probably cool and it's hitting this warm air. It was about 80 or 90 out here. I'm not sure what it is right now. But heard all this thunder and watching. I need the rain, so I'm thinking it's too far to even hit me. I think it's going to pass me and not get any rain. But I've been getting the thunder and lightning for about an hour, and it came from this direction, way out there, and it's moving this way. So pretty cool little storm here. Not getting the big bangs because it's so far out. And I forgot how fast the speed of sound is. So seeing the light, there's the flash. I think for every second, 5 seconds it hits you. Because what's a mile? 5,000 feet? Maybe 1,000 feet per second. Speed of sound, I don't know. What's speed of sound? 1,100? 1,000 feet? That's what a 45 bullet goes. 950, 1,000 feet. So that's about the sound barrier. So if you count seconds at 1,000 feet per second, 5,000 feet for a mile, you can kind of get about how far it is. But yeah, that's a little flash lightning. That's not, man, I was getting some great, thick, really bright, almost hurting your eyes, bright, way out there, and it was still taking 10 seconds to get to me. So it was at least 2 or 3 miles out. When you see that flash and get the bang, you know it's pretty close. And I didn't even look at the weather. There's a couple little ones. Yes, you notice how it hits like kind of right where the storm is moving in, because it's moving there. The camera is facing southbound, so it's moving eastbound, coming from the west, and it's kind of hitting that right where that little clear area is where I'm getting the most. I think the biggest part of the rainstorm and stuff is back here, but right here at the front is where I'm getting all this good lightning. Come on, give me some good booms. I want a bang in a second. Flash bang. Temperature's blowing. The wind's coming a little bit from the northwest. So that's why I think it's going to blow it past me instead of over me. That little bird just caught him a little butterfly. Good job, birdie. I don't know if y'all can see him. Kind of ate right there. Got little birdie's out. Where's he at? He was right there. Where's that little sucker at? He was right. Am I not seeing him? Oh, there he is. He just swooped down and got him a little butterfly. He's been hanging out there for a while. Man, I like when I get a good... Texas weather is just... It's a weatherman's dream. Dallas-Fort Worth area gets some great... Oh, that was a good one. That one went really high. That would seem closer too because it was longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How high does the count go? Little Sesame Street. Nah, there it comes. Sound barrier. Just hitting us. So that storm's pretty far out there. I don't know if it's showing up as bright. I think I just felt a raindrop on my foot. But I don't see any on the concrete. Wouldn't it be cool if a foghorn leghorn took a direct hit, blew up, lit the pasture on fire? I'd have it on video. Yeehaw. Horses are way back north. They're the farthest away from the storm they could be. They're on the north 40 of the Platte pasture, and we're facing southbound. Yeah, we're not getting, the wind kind of died down, and that cool air kind of died out, so I'm pretty sure this little sucker's gonna miss me. I don't know where Mr. Moki's at. Usually when he hears me talking he comes out, but he must be sleeping in the garage. Got some little birds flying westbound. So I'm getting a little dark clouds almost on top of me, but still I think all the rain is probably like right there in that area, because it looks pretty dense. And I'm kind of hanging more on the lightning area. I keep saying I'm going to do my damn lightning video, but I just haven't got around to compiling the data. Getting some good rumbling thunder. And that could be lightning on the other side of the storm that I just can't see, but I'm thinking it's just the clouds, that flash lightning, where the lightning is discharging between cloud to cloud instead of cloud to ground. Good little flash lightning, no good streaks. Oh, that was a pretty good little crooked one. I can't, when I see it, I look down the camera and I can't tell if it's on there. So I don't even know if the camera's picking them up. I guess I'll see when I upload it. I'll put a little arrow right before the lightning strikes so you know where to look. A little bird staying on the fence line. Lightning hits that fence line, little guy. I think you're toast. I know somebody's going to say, no, it'll go through him because he's not touching the ground. Okay. Come on, Mr. Lightning and Storm. This is the slowest producing storm I've seen. I've been watching this for a stinking hour and it's still kind of pansying around. Can't figure out if it wants to. So you can kind of tell where it kind of ends over there. Kind of starts right there. Comes around here and then ends about right there. So that's the size of it. I was just sitting on my swing watching it and said, you know what? Maybe some YouTubies that don't get to see this might like to see it. See, it's getting warm again. It was cool out here. I don't have temperature vision, so you can feel it. But the breeze was cooler and getting cold, and I could tell the temperature was dropping. The breeze dropped. Temperature didn't move too much. Now I'm getting warm. So this hot and cool changes is usually, oh man, that was a good lightning far over there. I wonder if there's another front over there. If I see another one over there to the far right, I might have to move. Oh yeah, that was nice. Alright, I think our electrical activity picked up over here now. I got a couple good strikes right out there. Pretty long. Oh, that was a good one. Don't know if you guys saw that. Yeah, see, I lost the electrical activity where I was filming, and for some reason it's picking up over here now. Still getting no rain. Temperature's kind of dropping again now, so it's getting cooler, but not real cool. It's not as cool as it was. Let me move out. Oh man, that was a great one. Did I miss that one? Darn. Let me get out here in the open. Maybe the camera will take a strike for you guys. I'm here risking my life for YouTube. What the hell? It ain't for stinking sensor tube, that's for damn sure. Oh, that's a pretty good little one. I don't know if that sucker got in there. Yeah, so you can tell now, this was dark over here and this is kind of lightened up. And I think the major rain is about right in that area. But the lightning is more in this area over here. Almost looks like a little cloud line right there. Zoom in on that so you guys can see. Looks really dark. When I'm looking on the screen, it doesn't look that dark, but it's really good contrast of yeah, that one was a little, got a good little streak to the left there. Need to cut this grass. I keep thinking it ain't gonna rain. I'll let it dry out a little more and then probably gonna cut it tomorrow, but if it rains I won't. That little Moki cat out hiding. Usually comes out to say hi. He's like, Dad, I'm not getting turned into an electric fur ball just for YouTube. Oh, that was a couple good little ones. Right behind that tree out there. It was right in that area. I don't know if you guys saw it. That's kind of where the last few have been. If I zoom in too far, I'll miss the ones on the outside. But that seems to be the hot area right now. Hmm. Well, I don't know how long this thing's running. Kind of see a nice that nice dark line right along there. Oh, I just saw a flash, but I don't know where it came from. Maybe the camera picked it up. All my peaches are gone off the peach tree. I got a little pair over there that's been hollering at me for a few days to come eat me, but I don't really got him. Should go pick him before a bird gets him. If a bird gets them, then I just give them to the boys. So they like when I leave them, because then they get to eat them. Peaches, I just crack them in half. I don't give them the pits. Well, okay, so I'm getting a little bit more of a west wind now, and it's cooling off a little bit. So is a storm coming to me? There's a good little pattern right along here. But there's a nice line right along there. You can't see it. I'm going to move on the other side of this tree. See that line? So it kind of starts about right there, and it just almost makes a little perfect line right across there. Looks like the alien spaceship is landing. And then it blends in and fades in. Right here, I think, is where it fades in the most. That's where the rain line is. So that's, I think, where the rain is at. Maybe a little rain right in that area. Hard to tell. So it almost looks like this little storm is moving northbound. The wind has reversed, and now it's coming from behind me. It was coming in front of me. And I think I've lost the lightning. Kind of got quieter out here. That looks almost like a little mushroom cloud forming there. I don't know if that's coming in on the camera, but it looks pretty cool where I'm at. And it looks like the rain line is right there to the right of the screen. Come on, Mr. Lightning. Yeah, that's definitely the rain kind of moving right there. I don't know if you guys are seeing that, but that's kind of moving in. And it's definitely moving to the right, which is northbound. Camera is facing westbound. Somebody gave me a good tip the other day. He said use WD-40, whoever that was, on wasp. That's pretty good. They were building a nest and I couldn't find my fly spray, so I grabbed my WD-40, sprayed that nest. They all fell like a bandit. I'm thinking the oil gets on their wings, because when they hit the ground they kept trying to fly away and they couldn't. And they just crawled off because they couldn't fly. Which means they're not going to be building a nest or raising babies. So it doesn't kill them, but it definitely makes them drop pretty damn quick. So if you don't have wasp spray, WD-40 takes out wasps pretty good. That was just for demonstration. some freaking wasp police from YouTube coming out. We're blocking your video because you're talking about killing wasp and it's against our community standards. Freaking YouTube. Well, I'm thinking our lightning storm's gone. So you can tell that little line of rain is kind of still moving north there. If you pick a couple of trees there, since I'm not getting any lightning, you'll notice it's slowly moving. That line is moving to the right of the screen, which is northbound because I'm facing west. And the temperature is kind of heated up and there's probably very little wind now. So the wind is dying down, it's not cooling off. The thunder's dying down. But that looks like a really good little rain cloud there. Dumping a lot of water, not on me. My horses could use a little rain bath. Alright, I guess I'm out of lightning. No rain, no thunder. Alright, unless it stirs back up. I guess I'll end that there. Got a little flash lightning over here. Yeah, see, normally that, if you notice that rain line right there, that's usually where the good electrical activity's at. And I'm just not seeing any lightning there, folks. I would check the weather to see what the percentage of rain is, but I'm pretty sure it's probably going to be at 0 to 5%, because I never get any when it's 90%, and usually when it's 10% I get dumped. So okay, now the wind's coming in from behind me, blowing straight toward where the camera's facing, and it feels like it's cooling off. A lot of wind direction changes, a lot of temperature changes, and this thing was definitely moving south to east, and now it's moving north. I don't know if it's still coming at me or if it's just going north. If it just came right to the camera right now, man, I'd get dumped. That'd be great. Well, sorry, weather people. I get more thunder out here shooting a gun than I would. Oh, I found a place that sells the, I can't say it on YouTube. The Boy Union Mary Paul stock. And I forgot the name of it. Firestorm or something. They had it for the AK. I think they wanted $159 for it. So I thought they had stopped selling those, but maybe you can still find them. I have one on my AR and love it. So I'm getting a little bit more thunder south of me. This little front right here. See, it's very clear over here. And now there's all this, but it doesn't look near as good as this. And you can tell that rain over there, man. It's really moving northbound. That's a good rainstorm. Gosh, quit going north and come east. So this is what it looks like right above me. Yeah, wow, that's a great little rainstorm right out there. Darn it. No rain for me. just teasing me. Got me out here naked with my bar of soap, thinking I was going to get a shower. Now I'm just standing out here naked with a bar of soap filming. I'm not really naked because YouTube will probably block it if you think. Because they first start blocking videos, then they start blocking words, and now they're going to start blocking what you think. So I'm not thinking of being naked out here with a bar of soap taking a shower, YouTube. Freaking some little rainbow purple haired freaking SJWLB. Man, we gotta block his video. He's a Trump lover. Freaking YouTube. Well, alright people. That's kind of the storm here. Not a lot. See where it's going, straight westbound. Kind of nice out over there. No big deal. Oh, saw a little flash lightning there. What happened there? Well, if the flash lightning is kicking up, maybe some good streak lightning will start bouncing up. Man, I can't believe this sucker's going all the way around me. It's going to move right over there where it's really nice and clear. Well, I don't know how long I've been out here, but if anybody's still with me. Oh, now the wind's coming straight in front of me. I don't know if you can hear it. It's coming dead at the camera, and it's cooling off. Ooh, maybe it's gonna come get me. Come on, baby! Where's my bar of soap at so I can take a shower? Oh, hear my little wind chimes picking up? Getting a little activity on the old wind chime right there. These little guys ain't saying too much. But this one's picked up his activity. Hell, I don't even know what time it is. I want to say it's 6. Let's see if I can see the time now. 6:10. So it's 10 minutes after 6. Oh, that was a great one. I hope I got that sucker. Woo! Man, you guys saw that one. That was... Man, I even feel electricity in the air a little bit. But it feels... Oh, that was another good one. My hair is kind of standing up almost like... Shit. Ah! Did I get you? Somebody thought I got shocked. Whoa, man, that was a beaut! Woo! Man! That was a great picture. I hope the old camera picked that sucker up. Woo, doggies, that was good. Man. Bzz, bzz. Alright, let's see here. Oh, electricity's kind of picking up. Wind's kind of coming behind me now. What the hell's up with that? Warm wind's coming behind me. Cool wind was coming toward me. Now warm wind's coming behind me. Kind of see this little, oh man, that was a good one right there. Man, I was just going to show you that little line that kind of developed. But the electricity is picking up here. Whew. Good thing I hung around. All those dummies that left crying, this is boring, nothing happened. Yeah, you're going to miss the biggest strike. It's going to light all of Texas on fire. Oh, shit. That was a great one, like right over there. That should be a big boom. 1, 2. Oh, man. Lightning has just totally picked up. Still pretty far away because it's taking a long time to get to me. Now they say that lightning can go vertical like 10 miles. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, now I got the headwind again. Wind's coming straight at me. But it's warm, it's not cold. For some reason, right in this area right here, it seems to be really picking up nicely. Oh man, that was close right there. We're gonna get a boom on that one quick. There it is. Oh, I'm feeling raindrops. Who remembers that song? Raindrops keep falling on my head. That doesn't. Oh crap! I missed a huge one right here. Darn, it tricked me. It got me looking over here, and then it's freaking started blowing up to my left. Oh, I might get a little rain. Come on, baby. Yep, I'm getting more thunder over here to my left now. And the wind just changed. The wind was coming straight at me a few minutes ago. Now it's coming straight from the south, straight in my face. And that's where the last big lightning was. So it's almost like it's this curve right here has got a little, the storm is in this area, like from here to here. Well, that looked like it was a good little flash, but it was pretty short. I wonder if that was close. See, I'm hearing the leaves behind me pick up. You know I'm getting good wind. It's coming straight at me. Good wind. This is pretty cool. This almost looks like a little rotation kind of cloud. See how those clouds are kind of circling around? That's a good looking little cloud right there. I don't know if you guys are seeing that, but it's a different color clouds because it's kind of open right there. And then right about right up here on this edge, it's doing some funky stuff. Play that funky cloud, white boy. I don't know if I can say white boy on YouTube. Get my damn video blocked. Oh no, I can say white boy, I just can't say that. Wind's picking up right in front of me. Yeah, see that little right there, man? That little curvature? Ooh, look at that. I'm getting a good strong wind right in front of me, but man, that almost looks like the clouds right here are doing a little bit of a circle. Hey, there's Moki Cat. Hi, Moki Hokey Pokey. We're looking at the big tornado that's gonna come blow us away. Hi, Moki Hokey Pokey. Look at those clouds, Moki. No, he's running into the camera, so that's why it's moving. Get your butt off that camera. Beat you like a red-headed stepchild. Boy, that looked like a good little circle cloud right there that was gonna maybe start talking some smack. And those are definitely different kind of clouds. Man, there's all kind of action right here with these clouds. All these little clouds right here are doing kind of, I can't zoom out anymore because they're right on top of me. But we're getting a nice little swirl like right there. That's kind of curling in. I don't know if you guys can see that thing developing right there. Hey, look at that little sucker start to curl. You go, boy. Damn tornado dropped down right on me, shit. Be grabbing Moki and running to the horses. Damn, I thought that little sucker was going to start looping. Boy, that little cloud right there, man, just seems like it's got a lot of kind of weird circular activity. I know! It's going to rain, Moki Hokey Pokey! It's like, Dad, what the hell are you doing standing out here? Get your ass out of the shed. So that's what's happening out there. The lightning kind of slowed them down, but these clouds right here just really kind of got cool. Let me move out here. Now you notice this defining line right here too. Right there. Nice defining. Forgot somebody named that on one of my other videos. What that was. But these little guys right here look kind of cool. It's a crazy cat. He's like, what's up, dude? Cats is crazy. Oh, look at that little point. Uh-oh. Bow, 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 bow. And then the big point came out of the star. Ooh. Yeah, see, these clouds look the coolest right here, man, because they just kind of look kind of circular and kind of gloomy and puffy. I don't know if it's coming out. This line over here is kind of busting up right here. Oh shit, I just missed a great flash. See how this is kind of busted up? Not a lot going on right there. Got a little point kind of right there. Not much. Oh, that wind's coming strong right in my face. But those trees are making a lot of noise. Yeah. I think it petered out on us. The wind's picking up, but I don't... These clouds look pretty cool up here. Smokey, don't quit getting my feet. I'm gonna beat that cat. He hears me getting excited and he's like rubbing all over my feet. You better get, you're gonna get a big beating, boy. That line just really kind of busted up there. Now there's a good distant line out there. See that straight line out there? Funny, now the wind is coming straight from the south, really picking up. You hear those trees, and these clouds are kind of, I don't know what that little sucker's doing. He looks kind of light. That one looks kind of okay. See this puffy stuff right here? That usually don't bother me too much. I'm kind of like, I like when it's really straight and good defined. Like right here where it's a dark, dense, that's pretty cool. That's what I'm thinking. Something could happen. And these clouds right there, they're kind of, see how they're kind of fluttering out and kind of flaring, and they're losing their good line definition. That cloud looks kind of cool. Maybe a little twisting there. Is that starting to circle right there? Can you guys see that? A little bit. Yeah, I see a little twist developing there. I don't know if you guys can see that one. It's like right in that area. Pretty cool clouds. Not a lot of that rain really moved. Remember that rain was way over here, and now that rain's moving everywhere but freaking on me. Whole damn state's getting rain except me. Oh, this little line looks too promising. That one little point kind of sputtered out. It kind of faded out. This looks like some good menacing clouds right here, man. It's a good dark cloud. I don't know what it's looking on camera, but it looks really dark and dense. But see how it's kind of like spider webbing out? It's losing its little line. I don't know what the hell all that means, but when I see the straight line and the point, I'm kind of like, still getting like quite a few little rotations out of this little sucker right here. Right at the corner of the house. That one little cloud right there just seems to be pretty active and going different directions. This little thing right here kind of sputtered out some. What the hell is that? Huh. Yep, wind's coming straight from the west right now, though, so it comes right at the camera. But it ain't bringing that rain to me. Alright, I think this storm's just teasing me. Good grief. Let me go put my soap up. No shower today. Sorry, YouTube, if I stink. I was gonna get a shower, but it's not hitting me. Alright, I guess we'll end that there. Say goodbye. Smokey, what are you doing? Say goodbye to YouTubies. Meow! Say goodbye to YouTubie! Meow, meow, meow! Go over here and rub on the camera, boy. Oh, hang on. That cloud's looking kind of cool. What's it doing? Alright. Get no damn rain. Smokey saw something out there. Alright, we'll end that there. No storm watch. Sorry, got a few lightning things.